Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm gonna share my favorite office practical joke with you. It's a very funny April Fool's Day prank that you can do at the office. And April 1st is coming up very soon. All you need is just an ESP8266 and 2 relays, and you can take control over any sit-down, stand-up desk you like. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make this simple project. The reactions are just priceless. We're gonna make the ESP8266 host network that you can connect to, and by opening a web page, you can take control over the table. You can use whatever ESP device you have available, whether it's an ESP12 on a breakout board, a NodeMCU, a VMOS, or even an ESP32. To do this prank, we're tapping into the low voltage logic of the control panel. Make sure you're not playing with mains voltage. In my case, we can connect to the table using an RG45 Ethernet plug. When the black wire is connected to the dark blue wire, the table is lowered. And when the light blue wire is connected to the dark blue wire, the table goes up. Check the table you want to manipulate which cables you need to connect. Now we're simply connecting the two connections to 2 relays. The dark blue wire is connected to both relays. Connect the other wires to either the normal open or normal closed terminal on each relay. Where you connect it is depending on your relay and the code. All the wiring left is connect the MCU to the relays. Connect pin D5 on one relay and pin D8 on the other relay. I'm connecting the NodeMCU to a power bank to make the project portable. You'll find a link to the example code in the description of the video. Adjust the code so that the table just moves a little bit. I have a delay of about 2000 milliseconds, and that moves the table about half an inch. Important. Remember to not move the table too much, as you don't want anyone to be squeezed or anything to fall off the table. So be sure that you know what you're doing before you're doing this prank. To control the table, connect to the Wi-Fi of the ESP and open the IP in the scripts. There you'll see this web page. Click the links once to move the table in either direction. Hope you'll enjoy this table prank as much as we do. And remember to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And also, you're always welcome to subscribe. See you soon.